Like, I need to think the whole prep.
Well, the whole prayer is our Father who art in heaven. Hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily BBs.
Our daily pew.
Our daily pew.
Put it in, boys.
Forgive us our friendly kills.
As we forgive those who friendly kill against us. Lead us not into a fuck zone, but deliver us the win.
You'll have to write it down.
Maybe we should do what John Barnes did. Bring out a rap. I'm a BB in the air. BBU in the air.
25 past, guys.
You'll find out later.
Let's get ready to get towards the south road and then we can start.
We can win this weekend. We are only like 20 points behind. That is it. And their stuff is going to stick. You've got the best base today. Let's make the most of it. Shut down that main path down to prison camp. Make sure no one gets near prison camp. We'll have all the objectives there then. We'll have all this side. The OP is the only way that the others are going to get anywhere near us. There is objectives there today. Right, if you get stuck, come back here. I'll tell you where to go. Okay? Make sure you've got your time plan on you for all your special missions. Right? Probably, if people start bringing green rods, I'll put it on channel 3 that I'll do a nuke strike. So everyone get back here, we'll coordinate and we'll steal all their shit. And then we'll have even more points. Right, but defense is still important. The big gun is in the tower again. Anyone to use? Okay, there is going to be one on here as well when it stops raining at Poland Star as well. That hurts people. But just have fun. I know it's raining, it'll keep you cool for this morning. Right, there will be water run up here if you need to put the bottles back up. Any issues, ask us. Alright? Right, fine, it's going to start any second.
Game on.
Run the other way!
Keep going. Fuck me, Rod.
Green rod, yes!
Sweet!
One rod.
Oh! I'm going back with a green rod. Ready? Let's get this fucking nuke underway. Scout is back at Firebase Charlie, handed in the nuke rod.
Cheers, pal. Right, let's go.
Huh? Oh wait, there is more.
Oh, you got drugs as well? Cash? Look at that. Perfect.
Like our boss. Nuke. Nuke, nuke. Come on lads, that's it. We have 2 more. Nice one lads.
Right, perfect. That's what I like to see. Right, go on, get straight back out there, give me more shit.
I said nice one, brother.
Where's Tank? He's just being.
Yeah, dumping him.
Yeah. Take it back now? No, I'll take it back later.
Yeah, you get points for that one.
We don't have to drop it, do we?
No, keep that safe, that's yours.
Part of the game as such, part of Viper's separate things, so you've got one, so if you go down they give you
Wicked.
Nice one. So what's that? 2 cocaines, 4 fucking nukes, and a Viper.
What a fucking
Boom boom.
Right, do you want to hit village, see if it's clear and everything's in there?
Yeah.
Well, there.
Just through there, we can go that way or this way.
Take both ways. 3 on, 3 right, 3 left. Hold up, guys. We're going down here.
Drop packet.
Where? Nice, nice. 3. Did you say 3? Oh. Commitment, lads, commitment. Nothing important. Careful, Cutsy, it's popped. Yeah, fall back just so if you stay on the rear. That's alright. On the side, I think there. There's fucking BBs. Alright. Calling all on, what's going on?
We've got the other 2 drug packages.
Have you got some on you?
Yeah.
Do you want to come back to base with us?
Have you got any?
Yeah, we got a post.
What?
That's 2 fucking nukes within the first 7 minutes.
Is it green?
Yellow and black.
Oh no, that's the Viper one.
So, if you take it down to Viper one, get 3 No,
Let's go back with these.
How many rods have you got? We've got 5 arrangement rods.
Duck, Chewy and Josh, Scout, Cutsy and Tank are pushing back to the base to hand in 2 drug packages. Okay. Bolt across when we get to the vehicle. Let's push up, let's get these jogs in. The sooner they're in, the sooner the points are added. No, used bag. Got another one coming as well, but it's got a split in it.
That's fine. It's still a packet. I don't care if it's empty and you've been snorting it all. I need one more rod and I'm going to do a nuke strike.
Yeah, we thought we had one, but we didn't. It was a Viper stick. Someone got confused.
You got a Viper stick then?
Oh, well, one of us have, yeah.
Oh, okay. I know 2 people come up to me with Viper stuff already.
Yeah. Okay, no, these guys have got one.
Awesome. Yeah.
Right,
Right,
to the village,
I'm
push
going
up.
to try and do a nuke strike at 11 o'clock on their base. Just
Which,
because they're
which
gonna-
base? Bravo.
Bravos. Of course,
Yeah, sweet.
Bravos.
Shall we try and get over there?
You're more than welcome to try, but I've got to make sure I can actually do it yet. So it might be too early and I might get told off. Alright, but I just thought when they get open their special missions and then their buzzer goes off and they've got a nuke strike and they've got their entire team in their base,
I like it.
Yeah, I thought that was quite cool.
Is that a pipe rugby?
Oh yeah, I believe so.
We might as well wait here for the special mission.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Yeah, so keep hold of that. Go down the 5% after the game.
Do you want to fall back to the base? 11 o'clock nuke. 11 o'clock nuke. Fake. Oh yeah, anyone could see that.
You've been trying to keep that on for ages, have you?
Well, I thought it was actually a fucking... I was wondering why it wasn't fucking charging the battery.
Not rechargeable battery either.
Maybe the scope just runs off.